One day, a boy heard a faint chirping sound from a cracked egg. He carefully searched through the broken shell pieces and found a tiny chick trying to break free, but it was too weak to break out on its own, so he gently peeled the shell open for it. Soon, the tiny life entered this gentle world. The boy felt a wave of compassion for it and decided to take it home and care for it. The chick looked very weak when it first arrived home and seemed uninterested in everything around it, even ignoring the grains the boy had carefully prepared. With no other choice, the boy began feeding it bit by bit with his own hands. Yet the chick remained scared and kept trying to escape. To help it regain strength, the boy patiently brought the food to its beak piece by piece. Under his gentle care, the chick finally began to eat on its own. Seeing it slowly regain its energy, the boy finally breathed a sigh of relief. Once recovered, the chick became especially attached to the boy, never wanting to leave his side. Whenever the boy called, it would happily hop into his hand, as if it were the safest place in the world. It saw the boy as its mother, following him everywhere, even sleeping right next to his pillow. The boy gradually got used to its company, and grew deeply fond of the little creature that depended on him. He would sometimes dress the chick in cute little outfits. Though the chick didn't seem to enjoy being dressed up, the boy often took it outside to play, and when tired, it would peacefully fall asleep in his hand.